Have you ever gone completely silent on someone and had absolutely nothing happen? No text, no call, nothing. Meanwhile, you thought about her every day of it. That's most of no contact. And it's not because you did it wrong. It's because silence doesn't make anyone miss you. It only makes room. And no, this isn't just move on or hit the gym bro advice. This is psychology. The actual reason a person aches for someone who isn't there. 4 steps, each building on the last until you stop being the guy waiting for a text. Step 1. Subtraction. Silence removes you. That's the whole job. So if the last thing she felt around you was pressure, all your silence deletes is the pressure. That's a favor, not a loss. You can't subtract nothing. Step 2. The open loop. A psychologist named Bluma found we remember unfinished things far better than finished ones. Waiters recalled every order they hadn't served yet. They forgot it in the moment the plates went down. She doesn't miss your messages. She misses a feeling that never got finished. Laughing at something only you two find funny. Being fully seen for an hour. Give her that. And the loop stays open forever. Step 3. Quiet without the announcement. Here's the thing nobody tells you. Announced distance isn't distance. The goodbye speech, the cryptic post, the I need to focus on me right now, those are just text. Louder ones, real silence explains nothing. Because explaining is still contact. So don't tell her you are going quiet. Just be somewhere else. You can't fake having somewhere to be. And she'll hear it the second you talk again. Quick pause. I created a free handbook for you called Why She Pulls Away. It teaches you the hidden psychology of attraction and how to become the man who doesn't get ghosted. It is completely free and it is in the description. So let's continue. Step 4. The honest one. Erich Fromm wrote that love isn't a feeling you fall into. It's something you do. Distance is the same thing. 28 days of checking whether she's viewed anything isn't distance. That's a relationship you are still in alone. So one test. Is she taking up less of your day? If yes, it's working. If not, you didn't go no contact. You just stopped trying. And when you do talk again, instead of I have been thinking about you a lot, send one light line from a day you are already having. Short, warm, going somewhere. You are not reopening the case. You are reopening the feeling. Same silence, different man. Tired from the gym, plans on Saturday, hasn't opened her profile in a week. That's the absence you feel from across the city. Not because he disappeared, because he left something unfinished. I hope you found this video informational and I want you to conquer every interaction you will have with a girl every single time. I am dating ASAP, class dismissed.